Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. DRDO has been doing many successful test fire in recent time, and this is indeed a great news for the India, and that too during the time of conflict with our neighbor China near eastern Ladakh region. In this video, we'll be talking about two things. The first one is regarding the fast track induction and deployment plan of the nuclear capable surface to surface supersonic Shaurya missile. The second one would be regarding the last trial for the test firing of Nirbhay missile before it gets inducted into armed forces formally. So let us begin the discussion regarding the fast track induction and deployment plan of the nuclear capable Shaurya missile. We all know that the Defense Research and Development Organization test fired a new version of nuclear capable Shaurya missile on Saturday, October 3, 2020 off the coast of Odisha. The missile which was tested can strike targets at around 800 kilometers. Shaurya is the land version of the submarine-launched BA-05 missile and has been developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization. The land version was discreetly tested for the final time before induction as part of the USAID trials in Odisha's Balasore on October 3, 2020. Many defense officials and ministers appreciated the effort of DRDO in the field of Atmanirbhar Bharat vision. Now, as per the latest news, the Indian government has approved the induction and deployment of 700 kilometer range surface-to-surface supersonic Shaurya missile. The missile will soon be deployed at locations which will be identified by the Indian Strategic Forces team, which functions under the guidance of National Security Council. To give general characteristics about this particular missile, it has a mass of around 6.2 tons, a length of 10 meters, and a diameter of 0.74 meters. As mentioned above, the warhead weight can be in a range of 200 kg to 1 tons, and the engine which powers this missile is a two-stage solid rocket motor. According to DRDO officials, the Shaurya missile is one of the top 10 missiles in the world in its class with its high-performance navigation and guidance systems, efficient propulsion systems, sophisticated control technologies, and canisterized launch. Now coming to the other news, which is regarding the 800 kilometers range subsonic Nirbhay cruise missiles test. The DRDO is all set to test the 800 kilometers range subsonic Nirbhay cruise missile in the coming weeks, and this particular test can happen by end of October 2020 or in early November 2020. The point to note here is that these Nirbhay missiles have already been deployed in limited numbers in eastern Ladakh region in response to the China's buildup in Tibet and Xinjiang. This test is likely to be the last trial before the Nirbhay missile is inducted formally into the armed forces. Even though this missile is currently under development and undergoing flight trials, there are only a limited number of Nirbhay subsonic missiles that have been produced and deployed. The missile has a length of 6 meters, a width of 0.52 meters, and it weighs around 1,500 kilograms. It has a range of 1,000 kilometers and is capable of delivering 24 different types of warheads between 200 to 300 kilograms depending on the mission's requirement. The missile is claimed to have sea skimming and loitering capability, which is very vital for any missile to go around a target and perform several maneuvers and then re-engage it. Along the line of actual control, this missile will supplement the role played by BrahMos missile for the Indian Armed Forces by delivering warheads which is farther the range of BrahMos. Many trials of this Nirbhay missile happen to check its reliability, and as I said, one more trial will happen very soon. So that was a quick update on the approval for the induction and deployment of 700 kilometer range surface-to-surface supersonic Shaurya missile. We also discussed the final trial of the 800 kilometers range subsonic Nirbhay cruise missile in the coming weeks. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.